Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can customize this new template, and without wasting much time, let's just get into the video. So I've designed this template in a way where you can customize every single thing in this template on the CMS. You don't have to touch the canvas at all. You just go to the CMS and you can customize everything on this template. So without wasting much time, let's show you how you can do that. The first thing you're going to do is go over to this button, which is the CMS button. Click on it, and then over here you will see the different collections that you have to edit. The first one is the one that edits almost everything in the template. So go over to this field over here, open it, and then you can see this long list. This long list, whatever you put here will be updated on the template. Now the title will be your name. That will be your name. Then the call.com event link. This template comes with an embedded call.com and component where you don't have like a regular contact page. I added a call.com embedded component so it can be very easy for customers to reach out to you. They don't have to just go to a contact page and just type in their name and their email and then send a message. That one doesn't really work like well. So this is where you put your event link. Then on the video or image, for this website, this is where you decide whether you want the visuals on the template to be a video or an image. Whatever one you choose will reflect on the template. Then you put your phone number here. This phone number link, you put your phone number here. Then before you put your phone number, how the tail, this is what turns it to a phone number link. Do the same thing for your email, and for the email link, add mail to asterisk. This is what turns it to an email link. Then over here is where you add your different colors. You add your primary color, secondary color. Wait, this should be third color, not primary. Okay, yeah, third color. This is where you add all your colors. To change the colors, you just select a particular color, go over to that color, you see this edit, click on it, and then input your color code. That is how you can edit the colors. Remove it, then go over to the social links part. These are where you put the social links you are currently active on. So whatever social link you don't have, you just leave that space empty. For example, let's say you don't have a Facebook link, you just delete it and leave that field empty. But I'm going to undo that because I don't want to remove it. Now go back to the general pages. This is where you select the pages you want to show. There are just 3 pages in this template. There is home page, there is projects page, and there is services page. Now I recommend not to hide anyone, but if you just want to hide anyone, just click no and it will be hidden in the navbar and in the footer. Then on this part, this is where the sections that are in the landing page. So these are all the sections that are in landing page. Any section you don't want to be on the landing page, just click here to hide it. I'm going to undo that because I don't want to hide it. Then after you've done this part, then this is where you now start customizing the template. You can see the heroes, the title, put your title, the hero headline 1, the product, and then headline 2 will be the designer. It is not like a joint text, it's 2 different texts. Then your sub headline, put it, and then your CTA. This CTA button title is the same CTA button title that will reflect on the navigation. So the navigation and the hero are using the same CTA. Now on this hero video and hero image, if you see over here where we say choose a video or image, let's go back. So there we say choose a video or image. Whichever one you choose, if you choose the video, you upload your video here. If you choose the image, you upload your image here. And the rest is just self-explanatory. It's the same thing, just change stuff. If you want to change stuff and leave the ones you want to leave, you can put this about me here, or let me introduce myself. You can change it if you want to change it, or you can just leave it here. And the rest is self-explanatory. And one thing I want to talk about, like for example, this test is not complete. So if you don't know what that test is, just hover on that test, and then the full this thing will come out. You can see it is LP Abbas Stars number 1. So that's just how if you don't know what that particular test is, just hover on the test, and then the full test will come up. And this is a new changes that I personally don't like in Framer. I have actually laid a complaint for them to fix it. So I hope in the next update they fix it. And that's just it. This is just how you just customize this particular one. Everything is self-explanatory. Just fill in what you want to fill in and leave the one you want to leave. So whatever you do here will reflect on the template. It's a very long list, and once you finish editing this part, you've done like 90% of the editing. Once you do this part, you've done like 90% of the editing. Now let's close this part. Let's go to the next collection, which is the project section. And I believe this is very, very self-explanatory. It will just add your project. Click here to add a new project, and then fill up this form to add that project. When you fill up this form, you change it from draft to live, and then you save it. The same thing with your services section. You can see the service section over here. Just whatever service you use. If you don't use graphics design, you click on it and then you delete it. If you want to add a new service, you just come over here, click on new item, and then add a new service. That is how you customize this template. Very easy to customize. Now let's talk about the SEO, page title, and page descriptions. Before we go to the settings, I will show you what to do. You first of all need SEO social image. This is the image. Whenever someone types in your name on Google, the image they will show. That is what we need now. The way to get that image is this. Go over here, click on it to preview the website. After you've previewed the website, change the height to 630. Change the height to 630. Then use a sniping tool to screenshot this part. Screenshot this part and save it. You're going to use it for the social image. Once you screenshot this, remove this stuff here, and then go over to your settings. Then this is where you add your page title and page description. Then you add your fav icon here, and then the image which you just screenshotted, you add it here. This one, you can also add the same fav icon here. After you've done with the general settings, then you have to do this for the different pages. Now the home page and the general settings are using the same content. You just move on to the project page, add your title, add your description, and then save it. Move on to the services page, the same thing, add title, add description, and then save it. And that is how you customize this template. Very easy to customize, no big headache. And if you have any issue along the way, just send me a DM or an email. I will respond to you and help you fix it. And that will be all for the video. Thanks very much.